Oh, are there? Are y'all okay?
Here, Stephanie, get me some pictures.
I got, Mom. I got this.
Well, send them to me, okay.
I'm videoing.
Thank you.
I shouldn't have said so.
The only thing I'll have to look at because apparently what I'll need to do is kind of come in and swing around.
No, you may need to.
You'll have to look. You know, I've got a rope back here, Stephanie. When
Okay.
you get that rope undone, I don't know where we need to tie, up here or that one back there.
We'll tie up here.
Okay. Okay.
Not everybody's coming by water.
It's like a carriage. It's kind of cool. I wish that I had
I
been.
should sing.
If it were darker. If it were darker.
Love,
Cinderella and his carriage.
exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you.
Frozen might be even better.
And love. Life's
Okay,
sweetest
Nathan told you to
reward.
stop. When Nathan tells you to stop, you stop. I like it. You keep on going. No!
Nathan's got nothing on me.
Oh, God. I see people.
Oh, that's
cool.
I'm standing there.
Yeah, we're going to show them up.
I could say,
We're coming by water.
I could say, you're a firework.
That's even better. Keep singing that one.
Giving you ideas,
Oh,
Stephanie, huh?
I got songs.
He could recite Purple Rain by Prince.
You know, beloved,
There we go.
we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life.
You, well, probably, you know, y'all might be the only ones coming by boat.
No, I think somebody already has cable boat.
Oh, really? Well, how cool is that? All right.
But not everybody's being serenaded by youth pastor. By the Brett Ross. Yeah.
Dad, did we watch the game afterwards?
Watch what game? All day. I'm gonna be watching it. Y'all can do whatever you want.
Do we have food? I got
chicken wings.
Hey, he's what? Hey, he has chicken wings.
Everybody just saw it cramped and helping get in here.
Okay, well, I had to crave some chicken Alfredo.
We'll go to Ventoli's and then come back and watch the game.
Are we going all the way up to the regular? Okay, not been up here to kind of turn around.
Love, exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you. And love won't hurt anymore. It's the open sea to a distant shore. The love boat soon will.
Oh my goodness. I've never seen it.
Brent, just swing around right up here.
Hey, Mom. How are you not in? Oh, gosh.
Have fun.
That was pretty
Look
good.
at that. Am I going to run over the boat?
Man, I'm glad I'm coming up here with him. I'm glad, too. I'm like
I slow down as much
Now-
as you can.
This is the night where everybody acts like
Slow down as much as you can.
Love, exciting and new.
Hey, Miss Amy.
Come on, join in. The open sea.
Come on, say
I saw it. Fantasy Island came on right after.
We're going to. You want me to go straight, Brent, or to the side?
All right, Mama, slow it down. Slow down.
Oh, oh, oh. I would have laughed. That was hilarious. He was.
I just say slow it.
See, nobody else has been escorted in. Saw it.
I'm very glad.
All right, knock it, Mama. Just kill it. Yeah.
I bet you. Just get off and hold it. Hold me off, Brad. Thank you. Put that thing over there, sweetheart. Put that finger.
Yeah, put that over there.
Drop it
Yeah.
in the water, right?
Yes, sir.
No, just drop it on the pier.
Hey, Miss Montama. Hey, Miss Montama.
That's gonna be on.
I'm just
Oh, post it. Post it.
I was dying.
You got it?
I thought that was some fabulous singing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I
More and more, please. Encore.
didn't go on to bring Bailey too.
Oh, I am taking everybody.
Ladies!
Hold me, Brad. Hold me. There we go. Hold. There we go. Oh, God.